Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do a TN spread for Journals for Life, and I'm working with the sketches. This is the sketch for March 6th. Let me show it to you really quickly. It is pretty awesome. So, photo says words, 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 stamp, stamp, ephemera, words, 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 stamp, stamp. I think it's pretty awesome. So, that's the layout I'll be doing. And guys, anytime I get a new kit, it's like I'm trying to figure out, oh, sorry, I'm trying to put my iPad down. I'm trying to figure out what things I want to use because I have all of the new things. And this TN book, look, I have gummy bears, I was dying, is so cute and bright and colorful. It's called Fran that I'm a little bit overwhelmed because it's so cute. Anyway, so I do know this trim came with this kit. Guys, look at it. It has deedle hoppers on it. So I do know I want to put that on the page. It's going to make my entire book look adorable. So I've got to track down my red line tape. Now I do have these photos. This is my daughter Shay with sunflowers. This is my daughter Ryan's hand with sunflowers. And I think they're going to go there. Now, our inspiration or our sketch has stamp, stamp, words, stamp, stamp. So we'll see what we come up with there. I'm still trying to figure out this side. Oh, and I want to map my photos because, you know, that's fun. This side has all this bright color and I think it's wonderful and I think it's perfect, right? So I'm looking at it and I'm just trying to figure out which way I want to go. So let's see, is the orange going to do it? I mean, the sunflowers kind of go that vibe. Maybe I will detail cut out the inside of this speech bubble and make a little shaker pocket with this so I can bring in some of that great stuff. That would be fun. And then I can come up with some words, and I don't know which ones I want to use. Now, guys, I have this great stamp set, and maybe I will do something with them. I don't know yet. Very excited about it. She has sunglasses on too, so the little sunglasses are funny. So I need a minute to think. I wanted to show you what I was using. I think it's so cute. I'll get the deedle hopper on. I'll map my photos, and I'll see you in a minute. So I'm switching over to voiceover. I used some of these great Catherine Pooler inks to do some ink work. And yep, you're seeing the colors right there. I love the minis. For some reason, I just find them so incredibly cute. And I got them in the Journals for Life store. So go ahead and grab them while you can. You guys saw the discount code in the beginning of my, it's Shannon 20, but it was in the beginning of this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and scuff up some of my bits. Here is a little bit more of the stamp work I did using those inks and the really cute stamp that came with the kit. I also went ahead and created that shaker pocket, as you see right there, out of one of our die cut pieces, as well as a stamp, sunglasses, and sequins. So super fun, super cute. I also oh, more stamping on the bottom there. The red papers that I matted my photos on, those were extra papers that came with the kit. And you see the trim with the deedle hoppers on the side. And lots of hearts going up, you know, to the upper right of this layout. Oh, and also in the upper right, you see that I created just a cute little paper clip with some tassels I had hanging about. I did also go ahead and sprinkle around some of the sequins that you see in my shaker pocket, here, there, and everywhere around my layout, which brings it across, but it brings all of this adorable, bright, cute color, which is what this entire kit is about. As always, I will have links down below for the Facebook group as well as the store, so you can see all the goodies that I have here. And when you go to the Facebook group, share what you've made with your kids, because I think it's so incredibly fun to see what we all do differently with the same goodies. Okay, couple more still shots, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another TN spread.